We got a Nissan Armada. Is that how you say it? Armada? Anyways, customer states when he recharges it, AC works for an hour and then stops, suspecting big leak. Let's try out some new products. Picked up this MasterCool kit on Amazon. Check it out. Comes with everything you need and also tests engine coolant, engine oil, gasoline, all kinds of fluorescent dyes to put in. This is how the AC works. Here's our fluorescent dye for the AC system. We're going to connect that to this tube. As you twist this, it injects dye into the system. This is a very affordable kit and comes with a UV light and glasses to find the leak. Read the instructions. You shouldn't have any air in this hose as you go to inject. You're going to inject through the low pressure side. I've got my 10 ounces in there or whatever it called for. Now we disconnect from the low side. See that green stuff on there? Comes with a whole package of stickers. UV dye remover. We hook our flashlight up to our battery. You can see I got some green stuff on that low side connector. Wear your UV glasses, press the trigger, UV bulb lights up, and it gets really fluorescent-y when the flashlight's on it. All right, after pressurizing the system, I can already tell where our leak is. You can hear it. You can hear it right behind this rear wheel. So this has rear AC. We're gonna have to lift it up on the hoist. We're connected to the battery still, and even with a long vehicle like this, it reaches all the way to the back to our trouble area right here. You don't even need the UV light for this big of a leak, guys. This dye is for small leaks. Looks like it's coming right from that bracket right there. Let's get that rusty bracket down and check out the problem. Wouldn't you know, nobody has this line in stock. They don't even have it available. Last place to check is the dealership. I already checked eBay and everywhere. So online dealer or Nissan dealership. They do make a block off plate for like 25 bucks. Check it. I'm gonna cut this bracket because it looks like it's gonna fall apart here if I try to take it off there. Rust belt problems, am I right, guys? The lines look super clean except for on this metal bracket. Even with the rubber bushings, we got some aluminum corrosion. And you can see every once in a while a little bubble coming out of there because it's still got some pressure in it. There was the bubble. So these are the coolant lines. We don't want to touch those. We just want to slice it right here, take the line down and see if we can repair it. I have been able to repair AC lines before with my aluminum welding and other tricks. The lines run all the way up through there, and there is a square block. You can block it off right there. You'll have front AC, but not rear. That is the cheap route. I just called this guy to see what he wants to do. Gave him the options, and if he wants to replace the whole section, it's time to get on the computer or the phone with some dealerships and try to find them a line that goes all the way front to back. We're gonna mic this line, see what size it is, and order a splice off of Amazon. All right, there we go. We're at 0.59. Took a couple more measurements, closer to 0.62 all the way around, which would be 5/8 splice is what we need. Now I can go to dinner.